This app claims it can bulk generate Gmail accounts with advanced automation tools, live processing systems, and profile customization features, so let's open it up and see if it's real or how its setup work. After launching the app, you'll notice a loading percentage running at the bottom of the screen. Just let the process finish because the system is preparing all generation services in the background. As soon as the startup completes, the app takes us directly to the sign-in page. Here, simply enter the Gmail login information and tap the login button. You'll also notice extra connection methods like Google, Telegram, and GitHub, but for this tutorial we're only using the Gmail option. And now we're inside the main control panel. Here you can see live analytics, account statistics, success percentages, and several management tools displayed on the dashboard. But the option we need is this bulk generator button. Click that to continue. Now the application opens the generator configuration menu. At the top, you can block temporary domains, and then choose different Gmail domain variations. Right below that, you'll notice several generation methods including single mode, batch creator, and API generator, but because we want multiple accounts at once, choose bulk generator. Next, we arrive at the basic setup page. This section controls how the Gmail usernames and passwords will be created. You can enter any custom base name here, then adjust the username size using the slider underneath. After that, enter a secure password pattern containing letters, symbols, and numbers automatically. Below, select the checkboxes for add numbers, add dots, and randomize case combinations. Once everything is configured, hit next, and now we enter the advanced options panel. Here you can change the username structure, add a separator style from the drop-down menu, and select the number position. Then below, toggle on add number, select the start number from the drop-down menu, then also select the number increment. After that, enable the account checking system by toggling it on, and choose the If Name Exists option from the drop-down menu. There's also a quantity selector near the bottom which controls how many accounts the app will generate. Here we're choosing 25 accounts. Now continue to the next page. This next section handles account security and recovery settings. You can enable recovery email support by toggling on Add Random Recovery, but leave the other verification systems disabled, including two-factor authentication and automatic app password creation. The app also gives options to enable inbox labels like social, promotions, and primary categories. After finishing the configuration, click Next again. Now we're inside the profile customization page. There's even an option for automatic random avatars to make each generated profile look different. This section also lets you randomize additional details, like selecting gender from the drop-down menu, setting the account birthday, choosing the account language preferences, and setting the time zone. Below that, select the account type as personal. There's no need to add a mobile number. Just toggle on the Add to Profile option to include all the information above in the generated accounts. After selecting everything, press Start Bulk Generation. The app now starts processing the accounts. Underneath, you can monitor every stage including verification, username generation, applying filters, and final processing. Right after this, extremely advanced live terminal logs begin scrolling, initializing secure engines, configuring proxies, bypassing CAPTCHA systems, and allocating server resources automatically while generating accounts. At the same time, the overall progress bar keeps increasing, and the generated account counter updates live in real time. Alright, this part takes a bit of time, so I am just going to speed this part up while the system processes everything. Nothing you need to focus on right now. Let's jump straight to the result. And once the process reaches completion, the app finally displays all generated Gmail accounts on the results page. From here, you can reveal hidden passwords by tapping the I button. You can also instantly copy the login details, or export all generated accounts directly into a CSV file using the buttons below. Now it's time to verify whether the generated Gmail accounts are actually working or not. So for this step, simply go back to your mobile home screen and open the phone settings. After opening settings, scroll down a little and tap on Accounts and Backup. Now select Manage Accounts and then tap on Add Account at the bottom. From here choose Google because we want to test the generated Gmail credentials directly on the Android device. Now the Google sign-in page will open. At this point, go back to the generated accounts list inside the app and copy any Gmail ID from the final results page. Paste that generated Gmail address right here and tap Next. Now the system asks for the password. Simply reveal the password using the eye icon inside the app, copy it, paste it here and then tap Next again. Now wait a few seconds while Google verifies the account credentials and signs into the device. And boom! As you can see, the generated Gmail ID logs in successfully without any issue. That means the generated account is actually working perfectly on the Android device. You can repeat the same process for the rest of the generated Gmail accounts one by one. Honestly, this makes the entire process look insanely simple. Just a few clicks. Select the settings, generate the accounts, copy the credentials, and log directly into the device. And that's basically how easy bulk Gmail generation looks inside this Android app.